Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today we're standing in front of a bunkhouse travel trailer with a lot of living space for the wait. This is the 2020 Forest River Rockwood Lite 2910SB. This trailer measures 36 feet and weighs 7,854 pounds. That ultralight build is one of the biggest advantages of this floor plan. You get 3 large slides, 1.5 baths, and sleeping for up to 7 without jumping into a much heavier trailer. A lot of families want this kind of room but don't want to step up into a fifth wheel or a diesel. The 2910SB layout works well for a family. There's a queen bed in the front master bedroom, a convertible dinette in the living room, and a rear bunkhouse with a pull-out sleeper sofa and an overhead folding bunk. That split gives the kids their own room in the back and keeps the front suite private, which is exactly how you want a bunkhouse to work. Take a good look at the exterior. You've got a power patio awning, slide toppers, a power tongue jack, scissor jacks, a full-size spare wheel and tire, and dual entry doors. One door goes into the main living area, and the other goes straight into the rear half bath, which is a big convenience on a bunkhouse floor plan. This coach also has 50-amp service with dual roof air conditioners, a detachable extension cord, and a battery disconnect. As we walk the side, you'll see the 3 enormous slides and the overall condition of the fiberglass. This is a 2020 that still presents clean, sits level, and doesn't look tired or worn out. Up front is the pass-through basement storage compartment. That's where the chairs, hoses, tools, and camp gear go, so you're not filling up the living space. That extra storage is one of the things that makes a 36-foot bunkhouse easier to live in day to day. The overall exterior condition is solid. This is a family bunkhouse with real room inside, but it still tows like a travel trailer instead of feeling oversized and hard to manage. We're going to finish the outside walk right now and then step inside so you can see the living room, kitchen, front bedroom, bathrooms, and rear bunkhouse. Step inside with me. As soon as the 3 slides are out, this center living room opens up and feels a lot bigger than a typical travel trailer. That extra width is what keeps this floor plan from feeling cramped once you're parked and set up. You're standing in the middle of the coach, with the kitchen and convertible dinette on one side, the dual theater recliners facing the entertainment center, the front bedroom ahead of you, and the rear bunkhouse behind you. The interior still feels clean and usable for a 2020. Good lighting, a practical family layout, and enough room to move around without everything stacked on top of each other. This living area is the hub of the trailer, and you can see the whole flow from right here. Front suite, open living room, kitchen, then the kids' room in the back. Starting with the convertible dinette. This is everyday table space for meals, games, and hanging out, and it also folds down into extra sleeping space when you need it. That's part of how this floor plan sleeps 7 without needing another slide just for beds. Next are the dual theater recliners. They're pointed straight at the entertainment center, so this is the main hangout spot after you get set up at camp. They're a much better place to sit than a plain bench sofa, especially on a longer stay. The entertainment center has a 40-inch TV and stereo. It sits right in the middle of the living room, which keeps the whole space facing one direction instead of feeling split up. This is where the family is going to spend most of the evening once dinner is done. Now the kitchen. You've got a gas and electric refrigerator and freezer, so you can run it on propane when you're not hooked to shore power and still have enough capacity for a family trip. Then the gas stovetop and oven, the microwave, and a residential sink and faucet. It's a full cook space, not a tiny 2-burner galley, which matters when you're feeding more than 2 people. Walking up to the front master bedroom, this is the private queen bed. In a family bunkhouse, that separate room matters. The kids can stay in the rear bunkhouse and living area while the parents still have their own space, instead of being right in the middle of everything. There's a small TV in here and wardrobe closets on both sides of the bed, so you're not living out of bags the whole trip. The room feels closed off enough to work as a real bedroom, not just a mattress in the nose of the trailer. For this floor plan, the front suite is one of the better executed parts of the layout, and that privacy is a big reason families look at the 2910SB. Next is the full bathroom. You've got a large shower enclosure with a skylight, a toilet, a sink and vanity, and a power vent fan. This is a complete bath, not a cramped wet bath. The shower is actually usable, the skylight keeps it from feeling boxed in, and the vanity gives you enough room to keep toiletries organized instead of piled on the counter. Now we're walking from the front bedroom back through the middle living area and into the rear bunkhouse. This gives you a good look at the flow of the 2910SB. Front suite, open living room in the center, then a separate kids' room in the back. That separation is the whole point of this floor plan. It keeps the trailer from feeling like one long hallway with beds everywhere. This is the rear bunkhouse. On the bottom, you've got a large pull-out sleeper sofa, and above it is a manual fold-up one-person bunk. That's a flexible setup. During the day, it works as extra seating. At night, it becomes 2 sleeping spots. There's also a small TV in this room, so the kids have their own space instead of taking over the main living room every evening. For a family trailer, this rear room is what makes the 2910SB work. It isn't just extra bunks shoved against a wall. It's an actual separate space with its own TV and a door nearby to the half bath. Back here is the private half bath, and this is why the second entry door matters. You've got a toilet, sink, vanity, and another power vent fan. It's a convenient bathroom for the bunkhouse and for coming in from outside without walking through the whole trailer. That second door makes this rear bath a lot more useful day to day. This is the 2020 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2910SB. 36 feet, 3 slides, bunkhouse, 1.5 baths. $28,900. Call 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit portersrvsales.com. Thanks for watching.